What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lucky's DIY Garage. So in this video we're going to be replacing a fuel filter on the Frontier. We got a lot to do on this Frontier, but after I finish my McDonald's. See you guys in a bit. First thing, remove the fuse panel, and we're going to look at fuel pump. We're going to remove that 15 amp fuse. There's the 15 amp fuse. Got a little tool right here on the side, and we're going to remove this fuse. All right, now we just grab our keys. We're going to start the car so we can release fuel pressure. Turn it on until it dies, just like that. Now raise and support the vehicle, and the fuel filter is on the passenger side. And put a jack stand underneath, because, you know, safety first. There you go. And there is the fuel filter, guys. The first thing we're going to remove is the two rubber fuel lines. So before removing the line, I like to put some hose pinch pliers, because sometimes removing the fuse doesn't really work sometimes, and there still be fuel pouring out. Let's do that. Remove it. Now remove the other side. So grab the clamp, wiggle it back. There you go. Now let's remove this 10mm. There you go. Now pick up your fuel filter, remove the little clamp. There you go. Remember the position of this. Grab your new filter, and the arrow should be pointing towards the engine. Now reinstall your clamp on the new filter. Set it in place. Reinstall the other side. Make sure it's not. And there you go, guys. Now we're gonna go install the fuse again. Right there. Put the tool back, of course, and panel. Now what we're gonna do is cycle the key 3 times. 1, turn it off. 2, turn it off. And 3. And now let's start it. Yep. Let's go verify no leaks. No leaks. Looks like we're good. Yes. Get back in the truck. Take it off the jack stand. And that's it, guys. That's simple. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.